With this Raspberry Pi, you can monitor your 3D printer. Stay tuned. Hello, this is Zachary from Zachary High Tech YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install on your Raspberry Pi Octoprint to monitor your 3D printer. So first we are going to install the software on the Raspberry Pi. Then we are going to connect the Raspberry Pi with the 3D printer, and then we are going to start using it. So all the things you need are these things. These are the things you need to start your Octoprint on your Raspberry Pi. Of course, the Raspberry Pi itself. You need a micro SD card together with a adapter. You need a USB-B cable to install your Octoprint Raspberry Pi with the USB-B connector to your 3D printer. You also need to charge. Then you need a USB-C cable to power your Raspberry Pi with USB power, and of course, if you want to use it, a webcam to view your 3D prints and also make time-lapse videos with the Octoprint. Because my 3D printer has no standard that I can attach to it, I'm going to use this small tripod with a normal connector mount to it, so I can use this as a standard for my webcam. So that's it for these things that you need on hardware. So what we are going to do now? Now we are going to install the software, but getting the software we need to download it first. So we are going to the site of Octoprint, and there you click on download. It's quite easy. Here you have to download Octoprint 0.16.0. You click on it and then you will get a zip file that is being downloaded. Of course, this takes a little while, 4 minutes I see. In the meantime, we are going to Balena Etcher. What this does is flash the drive. So in this case, the micro SD card where we are going to put our software from Octoprint on. So in my case, I need download for Windows. Then another downloading starts. These two software I'm going to use. You can also start the download. So when both files are downloaded, you have to go to your downloads folder or which folder that you use to take out the zip file. Well, I already did unzip it, so you will get this file here. As you can see, it's an image of the file, so I cannot drag and drop it right onto the micro SD card. I need to have a program for that. So as you can see, I also have the Balena Etcher set up. I also already have this program installed on my laptop. But the main thing is, if you double click on the setup, it's going to run on the background. Then you will get the different kind of questions if you want to install it on your C drive or not. So that's not that difficult. Just follow the instruction of the zip file, the installer. Just here, press record, and then it's going to be installed. Well, I already have the program on my laptop, as I said, and I'm going to run the file. Just a moment. So now we are going to start Balena Etcher. Just a moment. So now we are going to put the image on the flash drive or on the micro SD card. This is the file that I'm going to use. Well, here it says SDHC card. It also says here the F drive. Well, I'm going to check it because the last thing I want to have my C drive, but here it says F drive, so I have the right one. So, and then we are going to flash. Then you will get this error message, and it starts to flash the drive. So as you can see, it's going to take 2 minutes and oh, it's going faster, okay. But I'm going to skip this part. So almost done, just a few percentage and it's finished. It's now going to validate. I don't know how much time it costs, but I'm also going to skip this part. So the validating is almost done and mounting. So now we get a message to format the the D drive, and that we are not going to do. So we are going to cancel. We are taking the card out, and then we push the card back in. If you get a message to format the disk, don't do that. So you have to go to the API and open with Notepad. So for the Wi-Fi connection, I'm going to put in my SSID and I put in the PSP password. Then you click on save and you close the file. So if that is done, you're going to take out the SD card and you put the SD card right into your Raspberry Pi. So make sure that your micro SD card is right into the Raspberry Pi. Now we are going to connect the Raspberry Pi to my 3D printer. So as you can see, the Octoprint on the Raspberry Pi fits there perfectly. The cable management, I have to work on it, of course, because, well, my desk is a little bit messy, but hey, it's a worker space. I create here content for YouTube, and yeah, that's basically what sometimes happen. I will try to make a decent worker space of it, but that is for another video. So that is how you can use your Raspberry Pi with the Octoprint to monitor your 3D printer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you. Peace. Bye bye.